Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today I share with you how to turn off the disaster warning on your mobile phone. So in this tutorial I use the OPPO A5s mobile phone. So what is the disaster warning? It is a warning about the incident in our environment, like an earthquake, bad weather, or other. If you want to turn this warning off on your mobile phone, just follow this tutorial. Okay guys, before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting on your mobile phone. In your setting, scroll down and find the system app or system application. So in this system application, find the weather, click the weather, then you'll see the disaster warning switch on button. So okay guys, you can switch the disaster warning to turn off or to disable the disaster warning on your mobile phone. So okay guys, that's it, and thank you for watching.